want to put plants here. Okay, so my bathroom is completely just, it's luxurious. I mean, I've got tons of space. I've got a little toilet room there. I've got a ton of space, and it's got these beautiful windows that look out on houses, roofs, anyways. But I want to put plants here. I want to get rid of this. I don't have a closet. I have a massive closet, just not one in my bathroom. So I tend to just keep my clothes here that I would tend to wear the most. And I think I need to transform this space into something more beautiful. Okay, so I bought this plant stand. I'm going to link it in the description, and I'm going to put it together and transform my bathroom. Okay, so I got most of it up now, and I just have to put up the middle bar and put the shelves on it. Now, to figure out how these go on, I'm sure it's simple enough. Okay, so I need a rod to hang. I want it to run straight across. All right, I'm gonna attach all of those and put the plants I have on them, and we'll see how they look. Okay, so what do I think? I'm impressed. I like it. It wasn't hard to put together. And my initial reaction is it's really good. I was doubtful, but the reviews were good and they were right. I really like it. It feels secure, it feels sturdy. I've got room to grow. It's not completely finished, obviously. I bought little baby size plants so that they have room to grow. And I don't have pots for everything yet, but I'm working on it and I have room to grow, and I might hang some more stuff. I'd like to hang more stuff. I'm really loving it. I'll get back with a more polished look here once I get things even better. Here we have the mini bathroom transformation. So I've got a couple little, I'm doing a couple little propagations here. I made some macrame hangers. I'll probably make another one for here. And it's just quite lovely. So the little bathroom, I like how they reflect in my mirrors. So it's like everywhere I am, I can see plants. I love it. I love it. The plant stand is amazing. I could not be happier with it. It's sturdy. It's holding all my plants very happily, and all is well. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like and check out my other videos.